Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I just noticed I haven't made a crypto video in over like 10 days, man. What am I doing? I'm slacking. I'm just making headline trading videos. You guys don't know I have a stock analysis and index analysis, all that stuff on another channel, and I've just been doing daily updates like crazy there. But let's talk about Bitcoin because right now, we've been killing it inside the Discord. We got some nice trades going on. We're actually 2 for 2 at the moment on our trades. Let me see here. I think I posted 2 trades recently, and nice little 11% and 10%er. Not too big, very small, but again, 10% of the portfolio in that trade. So just stacking up those 1%ers on the portfolio, and I'll give you guys a Q3 update on how the portfolio is doing. I think we are still in the green. We've actually increased in the green, although we did take some losses, I think, on this dip down here, but that's okay because we made it back up on the way up. But anyways, right now, Bitcoin does not look good. I got bad news for you guys because the weekly, we'll start off with the good news. The weekly has a green dot and a minus 313 on the dual band strength index. You got green money flow. Now, what I don't like is that you've lost a lot of that momentum. We're at 64K now. We're back to 59,100. And when you take a look at the other time frames, like the monthly is looking bearish. The 4-day is looking quite bearish with a red dot -3 on the dual band strength index. 3-day red dot -3 dual band strength index, same thing. And you're actually crossing into red money flow here. I do not like to see that. I do not like to see that. Last time we crossed into red money flow on the 3-day, we got some downside here in the price. So I hope we don't get that, because if we do, we're going to start to bleed back down. The 2-day time frame actually has a red cross and a -3. Very, very tight momentum wave. It's so small, and it confirmed as well too, which is unfortunate. And then the daily, you actually still have green money flow, but you're starting to roll over. Today's candle is a little bit neutral. The 12-hour was looking a little bit more bullish. Now it's starting to flip bearish. So, and then you got the 8-hour, the 6-hour also red dots, like 4-hour also red dot. I mean, like, Jesus, what's going on with Bitcoin right now? 3-hour red diamond, like all these candles are super bearish. And then 2-day time frame looks like we should extend lower. We've seen these patterns before. And then you extend lower, you go down, but with some bullish divergence, and then you end up getting a bigger bounce back up, and then maybe you continue down from there, but we'll see. But anyways, right now, I don't like the setups for long positions on Bitcoin. When we take a look at smart money, let's see what they're doing on the 4-hour. Nothing here. 3-hour, 2-hour, and 1-hour. You only have a little bit buying from here. This move could have already been over. If you take a look at the 6-minute today, we saw some selling into this rally, and then it filled the gap on the CME futures, and then it fell over. So this tells me that the move is probably done. And what we just saw was an ABC correction, like this, something like this. And now we're just gearing up for another drop here in a C leg. Now we could get a B wave bounce, right? We could get a B wave bounce, or the A wave could extend lower first, and then you get a B wave bounce, and then one more drop in the C, right? So we'll have to see how this plays out tomorrow, but things are not looking too hot at the moment. Now, Bitcoin is trying to hold 59,000. You're seeing a lot of dip buyers come in. On the smaller time frames, like I think the 15-minute, you saw a little bit of buying here. Now, I don't know if it's all exchanges, but this doesn't really convince me that the low is in. Okay, you got a little bit more here on Bitstamp, but still, you got to be careful. It's not always a guarantee that the chart that I'm using is the best chart and that a low is confirmed. You can see smart money was buying on the 15-minute here. You got to bounce up, and then shit, everything fell over, right? So it's not always 100% that smart money is buying for the next trade. Maybe they're just accumulating, right? You could just be accumulating a little bit, right? So but when I see it on the 4-hour, it's a little bit more convincing. Here you saw some accumulation on the 4-hour, and it also spilled over. Everything fell down. But the last couple of ones that we've got led to some very nice rallies. So we'll see if we get some more 4-hour signals. They're not a guarantee, but when they do come out, I will let you guys know. If obviously I don't forget to make a YouTube video. And then let me take a look here at Ethereum. So I did some analysis on Ethereum as well. Sorry, on Market Cipher. Ethereum also looks quite bearish. I got a short position going on Ethereum at the moment. I think it is going to start to roll over and make new lows. And it's probably going to lead Bitcoin lower. So hopefully, you know, our trades play out and we make some money. And if you guys want to get access to my trades, the link's in the description. Have a wonderful day. Peace.